3.
Wave 3, bud. So check it out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 3, which is 18. And 2 little guys. We have 20 wave 3 cubes. Okay? And I got these the minute the drop opened. So, here we go. We're going to open our first wave 3 right now. Which one do you think has the best first one in it?
Middle.
This one?
Yep.
Yeah, really? That's the one I got right on the first try. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Begin the unboxing.
Let's see if it looks,
So that has its own unique pattern on it that the other waves didn't have. They were all different. Okay. Here we go. So what is this? Skeletor, Man-at-Arms, Sorceress, and Panther are the 4. Okay. And... Alright! We wanted 4 commons. Bingo! Right out of the gate, we've got one of the first 4 we needed. Look at how cool he looks!
I want to unbox him.
Well, if we get a second one, we can. Alright, there he is. The common 1983 Skeletor. Exactly what we're hoping for.
Let's see his number. Not great.
Yeah, it's not a special number. It's kind of right there, like almost in the middle. But, alright. So, we wanted all 4 commons. Number 1 was one of the ones we wanted. Off to a flying start, as they say. Right?
Yes.
Cool.
Whatever that means.
Okay, 19 to go. Get ready for lots of fun unboxings. Okay, see everybody soon.